Hello everyone, welcome to another video of lesson 7 time. Okay, so in this lesson 7, which we mostly talk about time, you should also understand that we also need to start learning more vocabulary under the verbs category. Kata kerja lah ya, or action, okay, activity. So here are the 5 words related to verbs that you will learn in lesson 7 that you must remember lah, yeah, because all these words are very common and will be used frequently and will also appear in your future lessons as well. Okay, so let's begin. Yeah, listen carefully to how I say it and you may repeat after me. So the first verb that you will learn here is go to class or attend class. These two words have the pretty same meaning lah, yeah. In Mandarin, go to class or attend class is 上课 上课 S-H-A-N-G 上 and then K-E 课 上课. Okay, there's a one funny thing that can help you to remember this word better is that the word 课, yeah, the word 课 is pronounced similarly to class in English or class in BM. Kelas, ke. So it's pretty much the first syllable lah, suku kata yang pertama tu, ke, ke. Okay, fourth tone. So 上课 attend class, go to class. So the next word is the opposite, finish class or dismiss the class. Maksudnya habis kelas lah ya. Finish class or dismiss the class. Kelas bersurai. The Mandarin word is 下课 下课. Okay, so again, because it's related to class, so there's the word 课 here as well. Okay, now the next word will be sleep. Sleep, tidur. In Mandarin is 睡觉 睡觉. Listen and repeat, 睡觉. So the next word is the opposite, wake up, bangun. Wake up, 起床 起床. So QI is 气, yeah? 气 sounds like CH, 气. CHUANG, 床 床. So 起床. Okay, so the last word will be go to library. Go to library. So go to library, the whole word will be 去图书馆去图书馆. So this word here, the first word, QU, you should pronounce with the U double dot sound, the U sound. 去 去. Okay, this word alone, 去, it means go, pergi. The action itself lah ya, pergi. So this word I will have another video to talk about it more detail, so please refer to my other video. But for now, I want us to focus back to this other word, library. Library, there are 3 words in Mandarin. 图书馆 图书馆. So these 3 words is library. So if you want to say go to library, pergi library, 去图书馆去图书馆. Okay, so these are the 5 verbs that you should learn in lesson 7. The verbs lah, yeah. Okay, so now let us try to make a little bit example of sentences with all the verbs that we had just learned. Okay, so I think you guys should already have a basic understanding about the sentence structure in Mandarin. Do you still remember that I mentioned before, subject? In a sentence, we should always start with a subject, which means a person. Start with the person first lah, yeah? Most of the time, yeah? It's like this. For after that, you only say the date or the time. If you want to mention about this part, then date or time should come at the second place after the subject. Then only you mention what are the verb or activity that you have done. So which means here, verb must always be at the end of sentence. This one is pretty much the rule lah ya, yang sudah tetap fixed already, cannot be changed. Verb will always be at the last of a sentence in Mandarin. Okay, so now you know the structure already, you can build the sentence correctly now. So, for example, let's take a look at the question. What time do you attend class? What time do you attend class? In Mandarin, you ask like this. 你几点上课? 你几点上课? So you see here, after the subject, the person, I straight away follow up with the date or time. In this case, is what time lah ya. It's related to time as well. Then only I end the question. End the question with verb. The action, go to class, attend class, 上课, right? So you see, 你几点上课? So repeat after me, 你几点上课? Okay. Now, after that, if you want to answer, you also follow the same pattern, follow the same structure. I attend class at 9 a.m. So you say, 我早上9点上课. 我早上9点上课. So 早上9点, the green color one is 9 a.m. Again, the verb is at the end. 上课. So with this structure in mind, now you can build any sentence you like that involves time or date and also any action or verb. So the next question, 你今天几点下课? The difference between this question or this sentence with the previous one is that I added one more word, which is 今天. 今天, do you still remember? Today, right? So I can actually specify what day of the time am I asking. Today what time? Yesterday what time? Tomorrow what time? Right? Or next Monday what time? Right? So I can specify the day according to my wish, according to the information that I want to know. So what time do you finish class today? So I will ask 你今天几点下课? Listen and repeat. 你今天几点下课? So you see here, I need to say the day first before I say the time, because day, the unit of day is bigger than hour, right, or the time, right? You see, 1 day equals to 24 hours. So day is bigger than time. So you need to follow the from biggest to smallest lah ya, dari besar sampai kecil, urutan dia. So we start with 今天 followed by 几点. This is the rule in Mandarin, yeah. So answer, you also answer according to the same pattern, same structure as well. So you say, I finished class at 2:30 p.m. today. Okay. So the Mandarin would be 我今天下午2点半下课. Yeah. So listen and repeat. 我今天下午2点半下课. So you see here, again, we start with the day, today. Then we say the time, 下午2点半. Yeah? Do not forget, for 2 o'clock, it's very special in Mandarin. Cannot say you have to say 2点. Then for 30 minutes, I mentioned before, you can make it shorter. 2点半. 2:30, 2点半. Then the verb at the end, 下课. Yeah? So, if you can follow up with me, now we make our sentence longer, more specific a little bit. Yeah? This question is asking, what time do you attend Mandarin class today? Do you notice what is the difference? Just now we say attend class only, right? 上课. But sometimes you can make the class, what class more specific? Mandarin class, English class, MPU class, mata pelajaran umum, mathematics class, physics class. Yeah? So what type of class, what subject of the class are you going to? So in this case, we are going to use Mandarin as example because we learned Mandarin class before, right, in lesson 6. So now let us take a look at the question in Mandarin. Yeah, listen and repeat. 你今天几点上华语课？你今天几点上华语课？ You see, the original word is attend class, right? 上课，上 and 课， but I put in the 华语 which means Mandarin in between. Then I will have the attend Mandarin class. You see, the Mandarin is in the middle also, right? 上华语课. This is how you say attend a specific subject of a class. 你今天几点上华语课? Then you can say, I attend Mandarin class at 2 p.m. today. So you say, 我今天下午2点上华语课. So you are going, attending the Mandarin class. You go online to Microsoft Teams, or you go to the lecture room or the lecture hall, right? So you are attending the class physically or online. Or I can maybe use a word that we have learned previously in lesson 5 or lesson 6. I ask, what time do you have Mandarin class today? What is the Mandarin word for have? Do you remember? 有, right? So I'm not going to say attend anymore. I'm just asking, do you have or not? Ada kelas ke tak? Kalau ada, not necessarily you need to attend. If you have the class, maybe if you cannot go, you cannot attend the class also, right? Depending on your situation. So this is like asking two different situations. One is, do you want to go or not? This one is, do you have or not the class? If you have, you can go, and you also can choose not to go lah, yeah? Depending on your schedule or what situation you are in. Jangan ponteng lah, ya. So what time do you have Mandarin class today? So 你今天几点有华语课? What time do you have Mandarin class today? Let's repeat after me. 你今天几点有华语课? So for the answer, you can answer, I have Mandarin class at 2 p.m. today. 我今天下午2点有华语课。我今天下午2点有华语课。So you see, if you ask have Mandarin class or not, then your answer should also use the word have. 有 more consistent lah, yeah? The question match with the answer match with the question. Okay, so which means here, even though I do not have the example for like 睡觉 sleep, 起床 wake up, or 去图书馆, but you know now how to build a sentence using these 3 different verbs, because all you need to do is say the verb at the very last of the sentence. Then the date or time, it's up to you lah, yeah? You choose it, you say it however you like. It's just that you need to follow the structure. Okay, so that's all for this video. 谢谢。